5 herbs for lung health, clearing mucus, COPD, and killing viruses. Taking care of the lungs is essential for anyone who is focusing on improving their overall health. That is because, when excess mucus is present, it can be very discomforting, especially if you just can't seem to get rid of it. The good news is, there are several natural herbs that studies have shown to contain potent therapeutic properties that are beneficial for the lungs and respiratory system. In this video, we're going to break down the top 5 herbs that you can use to clear up your lungs and make breathing easier. So if you're ready, let's get into it. Point 1. Eucalyptus. The eucalyptus tree originated in Australia and has been a source of food for wildlife for centuries. It wasn't until later on that humans discovered its positive health benefits. The leaves of a eucalyptus tree can be distilled and diluted into an essential oil which can be used for medicinal purposes such as treating sinus congestion, common cold, fever, and other respiratory ailments. Eucalyptus has a component called cineol, which is an active ingredient that works as an expectorant. This means that it can ease a cough and aid in the removal of secretions. Cineol has antioxidant and antimicrobial effects that can provide a boost to your immune system as well. It reacts with the mucous membranes of the lungs and helps loosen up secretions so that they can be coughed up more easily. Point 2. Horehound. The horehound leaf, which comes from the mint family, is actually a common ingredient in cough drops and cough syrup. That is because its natural properties work as an expectorant to aid in the removal of mucus and secretions from the lungs. This means that it would be useful for those with allergies, sinus infections, and chest congestion. Some people use this herb to make their own cough syrup by finely chopping up the leaves and mixing them with alcohol and honey. So if you're interested in creating your own deconcoction, this may be something to look into. Point 3. Osha root. Roots of this herb contain several components that can provide a boost to your lungs and respiratory system. Specifically, it helps increase blood circulation to your lungs, which, in turn, helps improve oxygenation throughout the entire body. Osha root also has antihistamine properties which works well for soothing sinus infections and other respiratory illnesses. Examples include cough, sore throat, bronchitis, common colds. A few drops of concentrated Osha root extract can be added to your water or beverage of choice. The numbing effects help to alleviate the irritated tissues of your airways and respiratory tract. Point 4. Ginseng. It's an herb that has been used in traditional Asian medicine for centuries. Ginseng is known for its potent antioxidant properties which works well for fighting inflammation. Not only is this beneficial for your lungs, it's good for pretty much every organ and system in the human body. Not to mention, studies found that ginseng actually can provide a boost to your immune system as well. That's not even why we included ginseng in this list. Multiple studies found that those with stable COPD who take ginseng experience improvements in breathing and lung function, which ultimately leads to a better overall quality of life. Point 5. Mullein. It's another herb that has traditionally been used as a remedy for the lungs and respiratory tract thanks to its soothing ingredients. Mullein leaf has antibacterial properties that fight against both gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. Some studies found that it even has antiviral and antifungal properties as well. This trifecta is good when it comes to treating breathing issues that are associated with colds and respiratory infections. The most practical way to consume mullein is as an herbal tea, or you can add a few drops of concentrated extract to other beverages as well.